Virginia and Kentucky Resolution by Alyssa Roberts. Are you guys wondering who is involved in the Virginia and Kentucky Resolution? Well, it's kind of obvious. The General Assembly of Virginia is definitely a big part in this, and the Kentucky Commonwealth is the other part to the big one. Two others that are definitely involved in this resolution were Thomas Jefferson, over here, and James Madison, over here. When thinking about what happens, you start to wonder what actually happened, right? Well, the General Assembly of Virginia agreed to uphold and defend the Constitution of the United States. The General Assembly also acknowledged that the federal government has certain powers and the states have their own certain powers. Here's a biggie when you are thinking about this. This whole resolution was technically just saying that unconstitutional rights weren't just supposed to go towards the law. Example, the Alien and Sedition Acts was unconstitutional. To know if something is unconstitutional or not, the states have the rights to declare it unconstitutional. It's pretty easy to figure out where all this took place. Obviously in Kentucky, and obviously in Virginia. The big dates that this took place in were 1789 through 1799. This all took place because the General Assembly of Virginia and Kentucky knew there was something wrong with the Alien and Sedition Act, and something needed to be done. In this picture, it is telling us what the Alien Act did and how it needed to stop.